Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be looking at my top 5 apps that I use for content creation, and yeah, let's get to it. Thank you for joining us today. If we're meeting for the very first time, my name is Lady Z. And in this channel, Ask Lady Z, we're very passionate about supporting and promoting young entrepreneurs and giving them necessary skills to scale their businesses. So we spend time, because I'm passionate about learning and passionate about teaching, so we spend a lot of time giving you tips. So spend time developing your skills yourself as well, so that you get good at what you do and you can promote and market your own business so that it's successful. So don't outsource it to somebody else. Do it yourself and learn. It's actually quite fun. So today's video is dedicated to Mpho from Kimpo M YouTube channel, who's a South African YouTuber, as well as Noni Styles go Instagram. Noni and Mpho, this is for you. I am talking to the camera, so I'm encouraging you, as old as I am, I'm encouraging you to talk to the camera and share your passion, because what you do and what you share with all of us, I can't do makeup to save my life, hey, sure. So Mpho, I encourage you to share your story and your creation using talk and audio, and share with us your story, as well as you, Noni. I love your hairstyles, and I'm trying to grow my natural styles, and I'm using the products that you're sharing on Instagram. So this is for you. Jump in, talk to us, share with the world what you have to share. Now let's get to the video. We're going to look at 5 apps. The first one would be Google, which I love. That's for you to learn. Whatever you're looking for, you can Google and stop asking people. Google has everything. It's the best teacher. So my best app, my number 1 best app would be Google. My number 2 best app would be Canva. Canva is created for digital creation. So if you are a content creator, when I'm talking about content creation, in this specific time, I'm talking about design content creation. Content creation can be anything: arts, dance, singing, comedy, jiving. It could be anything. So in this particular instance, I'm focusing on giving skills to the business owners to create content so that they share their passion, which is whatever product that they are sharing with the world, using design and creativity, and encouraging them to grow their brands. So number 2 is Canva. Number 3 is GIF. So you could find any GIF app to have those cool apps that move, but not long, but you're still sharing the story with the end user. So that's my number 3, GIF. And number 4 would be Magisto, which is a video creating app. Then it is inside Wix, if you are using the Wix website to share with the world your product or your services. So on the Wix app, and I'll create one of the videos to teach you how to use Wix and my last one would be social media as a whole. So use the apps to promote your business. Don't be shy to go on social media and tell people about your brand, but go about telling people the story of your brand in a certain positive way. Don't just pump sales and ask people to just buy your product. You need to share them. You need to you know, like a girl and a boy, well, a boy rather, in my old age, they share you and they ask you out for a date, and you know, they do their normal courtship. Yes, that's the one. They do their you court a girl, so you court clients as well. You court them with, you serve them, you serve and you serve, and people are going to relate to your brand, and then they're gonna buy the brand. So you do that, you share them with the content creation, which is why I'm sharing these apps with you today. So all the social media app, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, share your clients, because their attention is actually on apps. So if you're not on apps, you're missing out on a lot. WhatsApp and WhatsApp status. So use the social media. That would be my last 5th most favorite apps. So let's jump into it. Let me show you how to use each one, and then give me comments at the bottom of this video. Let me know what you think and share with me, and also share your information with me. I could also learn. We can all learn every day. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate the time that you spend with me. And yeah, let's get to it.